Have you ever been stuck needing a little cash? Maybe the car needs an unexpected repair or a bill snuck up on you. It happens to the best of us. But when traditional lenders say no and payday loans seem scary, what are your options? Well, there's a new player on the field called Possible Finance. They offer small, short-term loans with a twist. They say they can help build your credit score. But can they really? That's what we're here to find out. Building credit, the credit score breakdown. Before we dive into Possible, let's take a quick credit score refresher. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness. It's like a financial report card that lenders use to decide if you're a good risk for a loan or a credit card. The higher your score, the better the interest rates and loan terms you'll qualify for. So, how do you build a good credit score? There are 5 main factors. Payment history, 35%. This is the big one. Making on-time payments for things like credit cards, loans, and even utilities is crucial for a good score. Credit utilization, 30%. This is the ratio of your credit card balance to your credit limit. Ideally, you want to keep this below 30%. Credit age, 15%. The longer you've had credit accounts open in good standing, the better. Credit mix, 10%. Having a mix of credit cards, installment loans, like car loans, and mortgages can help your score. New credit inquiries, 10%. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can ding your score slightly. Possible Finance. No credit check, but can it help? So, Possible Finance is different because they don't do a hard credit check when you apply for a loan. That's good news for people with bad credit or no credit history at all. But here's the key. Possible does report your on-time payments to 2 of the major credit bureaus, Experian and TransUnion. This means if you borrow money from them and make your payments faithfully, it can actually help build your credit score over time. The pros and cons of Possible. Let's weigh the good, the bad, and the ugly of Possible Finance. Pros. No credit check. Great for those with bad credit or no credit history. Build credit. On-time payments are reported to credit bureaus. No late fees, ever. They use a subscription model for their service. Flexible repayment. You can choose to pay back the loan in installments over a few weeks. Small loan amounts. Limits are capped at $500, helping you avoid getting into deep debt. Cons. Subscription fee. There's an $8 or $16 monthly fee, regardless of the loan amount. High APR, interest rate, is hidden. While they say 0% interest, keep in mind the monthly fee translates to a pretty high APR if you annualize it. Not available everywhere. Possible is not available in all states yet. Possible Finance. Is it right for you? Here's the bottom line. Possible Finance can be a good option for someone in a pinch who needs a small loan and wants to build credit. But you need to be responsible and make your payments on time. If you miss a payment, it could hurt your credit score instead of helping it. Alternatives to Possible Finance. There are other ways to build credit without Possible Finance. Here are a few ideas. Become an authorized user. Ask a friend or family member with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Just make sure you use the card responsibly and they pay their bills on time. Get a secured credit card. This type of credit card requires a security deposit that becomes your credit limit. Use the card responsibly and pay your balance in full each month to build your credit. Credit builder loans. Some banks and credit unions offer small loans specifically designed to help people build credit. These loans typically have lower interest rates than payday loans. Remember, building good credit takes time and discipline. Don't expect overnight results, but by making smart choices and managing your credit responsibly, you can improve your score and open doors to better financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.